What's up, everybody? Listen, I'm gonna do this one more time for you so that you can understand what's going on and you don't have to guess. Yes, we are moving again. Yeah, I know we only been in this place that we're in right now 7-8 months. I know that. I'm fully aware of that. However, hanging out with CJ, we realized that, there was something more than what we had and was easily attainable. And before we go too far into this video, understand that if you want a good place to live, now I ain't talking about $400, $500, $600, all right? You trying to spend, $1,500 or whatever, somewhere around that ballpark, I got you. Holla at your boy. Now, if y'all want something raggedy jaggedy, nah, that ain't what the Kingfish does. That ain't what the Queenfish does. But if you really want a place that you can make home, you plan on being here long term, well, I got just the place for you. Y'all check this out. Tell me what you think. All right. Obviously, this is not a condo. This is a townhouse. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse in a gated community, if I could say that word correctly, in a gated community with a fenced-in yard. It's got an oven. It's got dishwasher. It's got a washer and dryer. It's got the half bath downstairs. It's got 2 full baths upstairs. It's got 3 full bedrooms upstairs. You've got filtered water. Yeah, you got counter space. It comes furnished, but the Kingfish, you got to put his own spin on it and everything. So all the stuff that's downstairs, well, that's going to be upstairs in a vacant room. We might make that into another, guest room or lounge or something like that. But listen, why are we moving? Because we found something where we could get a bigger bang for our buck. And our buck is needing a bigger bang, right? So listen, if you're in the hunt for a townhouse, or even it's still a condo, we got access. We got access to the best realtor in Thailand. When I tell you that she hooked us up and she's willing to hook you up too, listen, send your boy a message. I got you. Understand what I'm saying? Listen, if you want it nice, if you want it livable, if you want it to feel like home away from home, well, this is your lucky day. I can't wait to move in here. So we got, a little more time before we pull the trigger on it. The deposit's already down and it's about to go down. We went to look at our furniture yesterday so that we can pick out some things that are more to our liking. But understand, you too can have a place like this. I didn't realize how much I missed the feeling of having a home. Yeah, no, I didn't buy it. No, I'm not. I would just, my intellect doesn't allow me to subscribe to the theory of buying a home in Thailand. Why? Nah, it's unnecessary. Now, if that's something that you want to do, that's on you, player, but that ain't what the Kingfish does, right? So yeah, I like to move about. When I see something better, when I see something bigger, I normally pull the trigger, and the amount of money that you save throughout the year, you're not going to miss this little security deposit that they about to keep because you pulled the trigger early and you didn't serve out your lease and all that stuff. But I digress. That's a decision I'm willing to make. This place right here, this place right here is only a few $100s more than what I'm currently paying. And what I'm currently paying is only about 1/3 of this size. So what does that tell you? Huh? Think about that. Get a bigger bang for your buck and get a buck for your bigger bang. Feel me? All right, listen. I'm excited, y'all. I feel good about this. I'm excited about this. The Queenfish is excited about this. No, we don't do condo tours. That ain't what we have done in the past. We might get into it now because we touch bases with this amazing realtor. Shout out to Jay. What's up, Jay? We're going to be sending them your way. So listen, if you are a military veteran, if you are a retiree, and you are here in Thailand for the long haul, hit me up. I got you. Look at me. Hey, oh, you can't see me? I got you. Anyway, just down the street, it's probably one of the best night markets that I've seen in a long time. And it's open in the daytime. Now, who'd have thought about that? A night market in the daytime. It's clean. Oh, wait. I gotta show y'all this. Look at this. Watch this.
So it's very nice and clean and organized. So you can usually find what you're looking for. The owner is very friendly. She can speak some English. So if you have questions, feel comfortable to ask her some questions. Yep, download that Mine app. So if you have like a large order, make sure you get for 2 to 3 days.
All right, this is the spot right here. You can order right here. I'm getting a beef tenderloin, the whole thing.
ถ้าใช้เนื้อสวยๆเรียนเชิญที่ร้านได้นะคะ
All right, look, y'all. Listen. Listen to what I tell you. Listen. Look. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let you just look at CJ. Look, he already know. 400 baht per kilo oxtail, and they big nice ones too. Wow. We got the steaks. Yeah. Hey, look, if you don't know, now you know.
All right, so you know the Kingfish likes to eat. The Queenfish likes to eat. And when she's around, you know Winnie and Jazzy like to eat. So we done found us another spot to kick up our feet. We done found another spot, you dig? Listen, this is the cleanest market I've seen in all of Thailand. I don't know how new it is. I don't care how new it is. It's clean, it's spotless. Yo, look at the shine on the concrete, yo. CJ, you did it again, bro. You did it again. For those of y'all who don't know, CJ is my frat brother, and he has been trying to get me to go to Pattaya, and I said, no, my brother, I got to stay in Bangkok. And this spot right here is literally around the corner from our new townhouse. We're gonna be heating here every day. Heating and eating here every day. Iron Chef Thailand, what up? What up? Shout out to all my chefs out there. Listen. We've been here 4 times in the last 2 weeks. You know what I mean? And listen, okay. So this is in Bang Na. I guess I should tell you where it is. This is in Bang Na. Yes, it's a little bit off the beaten path, a little bit off of the Sukhumvit line, but when you live in a neighborhood like this, you don't need the Sukhumvit or the line. You feel me? Mega Bang Na is across the street, player. Hey, it's across the street. Everything that I need is within walking distance from my house. I don't want to hear nothing about the BTS, nothing about the MRT, the SRT, the ARL, or any other L. You feel me? I'm excited, y'all. This is going to be good. This is going to be real good. You know what I mean? Again, shout out to CJ for coming through. We weren't even looking for a condo or a townhouse. Hanging out with CJ. Well, this is what we got. Appreciate you, bruh. Appreciate you.